Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Sweden confirms Russian drone launched near French carrier Charles de Gaulle was detected and neutralized in Malmö. Sweden confirmed that on the 25th of February 2026 its armed forces detected and neutralized a drone launched near the French aircraft carrier Charles de Gaulle during its visit to Malmö. The unmanned aircraft had taken off from a Russian electronic intelligence vessel and attempted to approach the carrier by entering a restricted zone. While the French carrier was in port, the Russian electronic intelligence ship Gaulle entered Swedish territorial waters. The vessel appeared in the area in accordance with international regulations, exercising the right of free passage through the Öresund Strait. The Swedish warship HMS Rapp, deployed to protect the carrier, moved closer to the Russian vessel to monitor its movements. Systems on board the Swedish ship detected the drone in the air and activated electronic warfare measures to disrupt the object, which had launched from the Russian ship and attempted an unauthorized flight into a restricted area. Our investigation has shown that the Swedish armed forces acted quickly and correctly to ensure security in our immediate vicinity, said Vice Admiral Skog Haslum, head of the Swedish Armed Forces Operational Command. We monitored this vessel during its transit and were able to take swift countermeasures once the drone was detected. Authorities in Stockholm said the Russian vessel also violated regulations applicable to ships transiting the Öresund Strait. Following the incident, the ship was tracked by the Swedish Navy until it left Swedish territorial waters and it is now in the Baltic Sea. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.